Adding this. This question is there. Yes. Okay. The question it is given, A and B were partners in a firm sharing profits in and losses in the ratio 3:2. They admit C into partnership with 1/5 share with 1/6 share, in the profits. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. No any other information is given here. This is direct question. Same method we will follow as we followed for illustration 1. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. C's share is given 1/6. So the firm's share on the basis of C's share. Firm's share on the basis of C's share will be 6/6. हाफ फ्रैक्शन इसको होल करेंगे, 1 बनाएंगे. 1 बनाने के लिए हमको ऊपर 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, which will be 6. This is 6/6. This is firm's share. C's share is 1/6. Now remaining share here. Remaining share is 6/6 minus 1/6, which is 5/6. Now this remaining share will be shared by A and B in their profit sharing ratio, old profit sharing ratio. We'll prepare a statement for this. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Particulars A, B, and C. First, we will write down old profit sharing ratio. This was 3/5 and 2/5. C doesn't have any old share because he is a new partner. The second, new partner share we will write down. He is a new partner, 1/6 share. Third is new profit sharing ratio. This will be 3/5 into 5/6. ये जो रिमेनिंग शेयर है 5/6, इसको हमारे ओल्ड पार्टनर शेयर करेंगे देयर ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो, यानी कि 5/6 into 3/5 2/5 into 5/6. It will be 1/6 for him. No calculation here as of now. अभी नहीं. अब इनको calculate करो. This is multiplication. No need to simplify the fractions. 5 3s are 15. Do not divide it. Do not simplify here. आपने तो करते बैठोगे इसको 1/1 किया. 5 ये divide भी हो रहा है and this is 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Don't do it as of now. Not needed. 5 3s are 15. 5 6 are 30. 2 5s are 10. 5 6 are 30. This is 1/6. You have to make 6. ये तीनों पार्टनर का डिनोमिनेटर सेम होना चाहिए. इसका है, इसका है, इसका नहीं है. इसको 30 बनाने के लिए हमको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा एंड 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. 5 1s are 5. 5 6 are 30. 15 is to 10 is to 5. We got this ratio. We will just write down this ratio here. A is to B is to C, you get 15 is to 10 is to 5. Now simplify it. Now these three are the multiple, this can get divided by 5. 5 से divide हो सकते हैं ये तीनों. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. You get 3 is to 2 is to 1. The total students should be 6. Now come to your note which we studied in illustration 1. That note said if specific share of new partner is given, if specific share of new partner is given, the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio of the existing partner remains the same. क्या ये बात इस क्वेश्चन में भी सेम प्रूव हुई है? तो हाँ हुई है. कैसे? इन दोनों का रेशियो आप देखो एंड इनका, दिस इज योर देयर न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. This is new profit sharing ratio. In case of A and B, the old profit sharing ratio was 3:2. This fact was proved. One more thing it said us to calculate was sacrificing ratio, which will also be the same, that is 3:2. देखते हैं क्या ये इस क्वेश्चन में भी सही है या नहीं. Sacrificing ratio, the formula is old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. Old PSR only in case of A and B. C will not sacrifice anything. This was 3/5. New profit sharing ratio is there 15/30. 15/30. B का 2/5. New profit sharing ratio was 10/30. Calculated. इसको इक्वल कर दो आप, करना हो तो 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 6 18 minus 15 divided by 30. इसको 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 2 6 12 होगा. 12 minus 10 divided by 30. You get here 18 minus 15, 3/30 and 2/30. Keep this in ratio. A is to B. This is 3:2. Which means if specific share of new partner is given, the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio of the old partners remains the same. This was your numerical question of your NCERT question number 1. Any doubt in this question?
No, ma'am.
Kanika? We are solving one more question. Now you solve this question by yourself. I will be asking you what should be the answer. The question number is 3. See, I'm writing this question. X and Y are partners. X and Y are partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 5:3. Z is admitted. Z is admitted for 1/10 share. Okay, यहाँ तक ठीक है. But one line is mentioned, which he equally acquired. Which he equally acquired from X and Y. Calculate their new profit sharing ratio. If suppose this question is not mentioned in your textbook, this is the question. X and Y are partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 5:3. Z is admitted for 1/10 share. But information is given, this 1/10 share he will acquire equally from X and Y. Now tell me what is to be done now. बताओ सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूं? Students, you have to answer this. I explained. Yeah.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, because I got disconnected, so I didn't understand that question. So can you explain that?
Okay. What about Kanika? क्या करूँ? I will take your complaint to madam ना, अभी नहीं. This is because और इतना tolerate नहीं कर सकते हैं because you are at loss. I am not at loss. मेरा 12th standard हो चुका है बेटा. Please keep this in mind. If you will not give answer, internal marking अभी start हो गया है आपका. You have to answer. You have to interact with us. Okay. Pay attention. Two partners are there. Profit sharing ratio is 5:3. Z is admitted for 1/10 share. Now, this 1/10 share he will equally acquire from X and Y. Now, what to do in this case? How to calculate their new profit sharing ratio? We will just put mathematically what is being written in your sentences. ये जो 1/10 शेयर है ये इक्वली देंगे X and Y, which means 1/10 का हाफ X देगा and 1/10 का हाफ Y देगा. 1/10 का हाफ करने के लिए you have to divide it by 2 into 1/2, which is 1 1s are 1, 10 2s are 20. So this 1/20 X will give, Y will give. X will give 120, Y will give 120. From where they will give? They will give from their old share. From old share. अब इसको मैथमेटिकली पुट कर दो. ओल्ड शेयर क्या है? इनका शेयर है 5:3, which means 5/8 and 3/8. Now from 5/8, X will give 1/20. From 3/8, Y will give 1/20. From देखो 5/8 minus 1/20. 3/8 minus 1/20. यही करना है हमको. This I'm going to put it in the correct way. Calculation of new PSR. X share 5/8 minus 5/8 minus 1/20. डिनोमिनेटर सेम कर दो. कैसे करोगे? इसका एलसीएम लेना पड़ेगा. टेक द एलसीएम. Okay, at least can you solve this one for me? You should be able to solve this. Can you take the LCM? 8 और 20 का LCM 2 से लेंगे हम लोग.
Yes.
2 4s are 8.
4, 10.
10. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. This is 2. This is 5. What will be the LCM? Kanika has left. Okay. अब देखो मैं ये what to do now? Only 3 students and that this is also a problem. Yes.
Ma'am, you asked something.
I asked about the LCM. What will be the LCM?
2 into 2 into 5.
So what is it? Tell me. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8
हाँ,
5 40.
yes.
अब इसको 40 बनाना है, ये डिनोमिनेटर्स को 40 बनाना है। मल्टीप्लाई इट। किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? पहले डिनोमिनेटर देखो, 5 हियर आल्सो 5 माइनस 1, 20 को भी 40 बनाना है, तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 22 से 40, then 5 5 are 25 minus this is 1 2 are 2 and 8 5 are 40, 20 into 2 40, it comes to 23 by 40. This is your X share. We have to do the same calculation for Y's share. Y's share was 3 by 8 minus he is giving 120 to C to Z. It will be again the LCM will be 40. So no need to calculate again. इसको 5 से multiply कर दो अब बस. 8 को 5 से multiply करना है, 20 को 2 से. 3 5 are 8 5 are minus 1 2 are 20 into 2. 3 5 are 15.
15 minus 2.
3 minus 2 and this is 40. This is
13 upon 40.
good. 13 upon 40. We calculated X share and Y's share. We have to calculate Z's share. Z's share is getting 1 by 20 from X, 1 by 20 from Y. This is 2 by 20, but उनका 40 40 है and इनका बस 20 है, तो 20 को 40 बनाने के लिए हमें करना पड़ेगा 2 से मल्टीप्लाई. 2 into 2, this will be 4 by 40. So when you will put this in the ratio, X is to Y is to Z, X share was 23 upon 40, Y's share was 13 upon 40, and Z share is 4 upon 40. The total should come 40. Now here in this case, this is your new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio. We will not calculate your sacrificing ratio of the old partners. Why we will not calculate the sacrificing ratio here? Tell me.
Because ma'am, in question it is not mentioned.
No. If I'm telling you, if you have to calculate sacrificing ratio, देखो, calculate sacrificing ratio here, it is already mentioned. Here in this question, it is already mentioned. They will contribute equally to the new partner. They will contribute equally to the new partner. Which means ये जो 1 by 20 है, this 1 by 20 is nothing but the sacrificing ratio. वो लोग इतना ही sacrifice कर रहे हैं ना, और तो कुछ दे नहीं रहे.
Yes.
Which means the sacrificing ratio here is, देखो, sacrificing ratio here is 1 is to 1. This is 1 by 20, 1 by 20 is to 1. This was the concept. Now one more case is there, but these two girls are not there. Okay, I'm recording the meeting and I will upload this. Let me put a message on the group, then we will solve. Okay, we should start with business studies now. Payal, tell me, do you want to solve one more question? Or it will be too much? I guess it will be too much because you have accountancy period also, accountancy paper also today.
Yes.
Yes, so ठीक है.
Ma'am, will you send me that paper through mail?
Yes, yes, I will send.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, app is not opening. I don't, okay, app is not opening. So she can tell me, I can send the link also, no? I can directly send you the link. Why to wait for the app? Okay. Business environment, that day only you were there in the class file. So I have given you enough introduction of this chapter. What do we mean by business environment? See, the definition of the business environment is this. Business environment is the sum total of all external and internal factors that influence our business. Whatever in our surrounding which influence the business is nothing but our business environment. The two types of business environment are there. One is internal environment and then another is external environment. Internal environment is that Oppo, who's this? Sorry.
Ma'am Neha.
Okay. Internal environment is that which is inside the business organization. Now see what is included inside the business organization: the human resource of the business, the organizational culture, the organizational structure, all the physical assets, profit and cash flow, and the management. Now, internal environment is always within the control of the management of the business. Whereas the external environment, which comprises of climate, economy, technology, political changes, legal changes, competitions from other business persons, media, fashion, this is out of the control of any business organization. Any change in fashion change हो रहा है, fashion है कुछ भी, वो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. We can't change the fashion. Then what is to be done? It's to get acquainted with that fashion. हमको उसी में ढल जाना है. Now climate is out of the control of business environment, out of the control of business organization. Climate is ever changing. We don't have any control. तो बिजनेस को क्या करना है? उसके साथ तालमेल करना. Coordinate with the external environment. Change your strategy. This is nothing but when you are planning something, taking in consideration with the environment, with your business environment, which comprises of internal and external environment. That planning is known as strategic planning. क्योंकि हम कुछ तो ऐसे नहीं करेंगे. It will have a base. It will have a logical base, which is nothing but your strategic plan. कि अगर एकदम से इकोनॉमी में डिफ्लेशन आ गया, तब क्या करना है? We should have a backup plan. पॉलिटिकल लीडर चेंज हो गए हमारे, गवर्नमेंट इज चेंज, currently BJP government is there, after some years it may be Congress government, sudden change, what to do? That planning is known as strategic planning, when you think of the future, taking in consideration of the business environment. Now, sum total of all individual, institution, and other forces that are outside the control of enterprise, but that may affect its performance. Example in changes in government economic policy, rapid technological developments, and political uncertainty. Now, there are some features of this business environment. We'll just take this 3 features. Totality of external forces. Business environment is the sum total of those factors which are available outside the business and which the business has no control. Business environment में कुछ ऐसे external forces हैं which are outside the business and जिन पे business का कोई control नहीं है. These forces are, example is given, business has no control over government policies. सडनली आप गवर्नमेंट का एक रूल आ जाता है कि नहीं, आपको जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में है वहां पे कोई बिजनेस सेटअप करना ही नहीं है. सडनली रूल आ जाता है कि यू कैन नॉट कंस्ट्रक्ट रोड्स इन द फॉरेस्ट एरिया. दीज आर गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज ऑन विच बिजनेस हैज नो कंट्रोल. स्पेसिफिकली देखो, हम लोग गर्ल्स है, वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी है कि वी विल नॉट रिड्यूस द टैक्स, दैट इज पिंक टैक्स फ्रॉम योर सैनिटरी नैपकिन्स एंड दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. हम लोग नहीं रिड्यूस करेंगे, बिजनेस का कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है इसके ऊपर. सो बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट का फीचर है टोटालिटी ऑफ एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस, व्हिच मींस एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस अफेक्ट द बिजनेस इन सच वे दैट बिजनेस हैज नो कंट्रोल ओवर सच फैक्टर्स. Specific and general forces. There are some specific and general forces in our environment. Specific forces are investors, customers, competitors, and suppliers. And general forces are social, political, legal, and technological. Now, these specific forces are specific to that business organization. टाटा ग्रुप का जो इन्वेस्टर है वो एक स्पेसिफिक है, उनके कस्टमर स्पेसिफिक है. टाटा मोटर्स का कॉम्पिटिटर, टाटा मोटर्स जो कि ऑटोमोबाइल्स में डील करती है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ कार, उसका कॉम्पिटिटर कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री नहीं हो सकती. इट विल हैव अ स्पेसिफिक कॉम्पिटिटर. कौन हो सकता है? फिर मारुति सुजुकी हो सकती है, फोक्सवैगन हो सकता है. Suppliers may be specific. ये जो forces है, these forces affect the business. General forces, which are general, which forces affects each and every business organization, like social, political, legal, and technological. Social, society में इतने सारे norms है, इतने सारे caste, creed सब है. Each and every business organization gets affected by it. Change in the political leader. एक पॉलिटिकल लीडर चेंज हुआ है बट सारे बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को अफेक्ट करेगा. टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट, एक न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी आई है मार्केट में, ईच एंड एवरी बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल गेट अफेक्टेड. थर्ड फीचर इज इंटररिलेटेडनेस. डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ बिजनेस आर इंटररिलेटेड टू ईच अदर. एग्जांपल, as customer awareness on health increases, they demand healthy products such as Diet Coke, olive oil, etc. Different parts of business are interrelated to each other. These environments are interrelated. Example is given of customer. Customer के अंदर awareness आ गया. They got aware कि no, we have to be healthy. This is Corona time. We have to eat healthy. We have to breathe healthy. सब कुछ हमको healthy खाना है. तो अब इस situation में क्या हो गया है? They are demanding healthy products. Diet Coke is mentioned, but और क्या क्या है? जैसे peanut butter आजकल लोग बहुत ज्यादा खा रहे हैं. Then brown bread, one new concept has come. Brown bread. विटामिन सी की टैबलेट्स आजकल बहुत मार्केट में चल रही हैं. विटामिन डी की टैबलेट्स. ये जो सारी चीजें हैं because of customer awareness. Now how this customer has got awareness, customer को awareness कैसे आई? Changes in the external environment which is your social, political, legal, technological, जो भी आप कस्टमर का भी एक एनवायरमेंट है, वहां पे जो चेंज हुआ उसके वजह से he has changed, his thinking has changed, and because customer is one of the specific environment of the business environment of the business is also changing. Hence, this business environment is interrelated. एक बिजनेस एक फोर्स में चेंज होता है, दूसरे फोर्स में ऑटोमेटिक चेंज होता है. Features of business environment are totality of external forces, specific and general forces, and interrelatedness. Dynamic nature, business environment keeps on changing. The business should also change its method, rules as environment changes. For example, change in new technology, shifts in consumer performance. Business environment is ever changing. This was one of the feature of management also. Management is dynamic. Now, why management is dynamic? It is dynamic because the nature is dynamic. The environment is dynamic. अभी अगर तुम्हारी स्कर्ट की फैशन चल रही है मार्केट में, ठीक है, इमेजिन ऑल आर वेयरिंग स्कर्ट्स. से कोई फिल्म आई होगी बॉलीवुड की, हॉलीवुड की, सब लोग स्कर्ट्स पहनने का फैशन चल रहा है. नॉट नेसेसरी फॉर द होल ईयर दिस फैशन विल बी इन द ट्रेंड. अभी 2 हफ्तों में कुछ शॉर्ट्स आ जाएंगे, जीन्स आ जाएंगी, वो रिप्ड जीन्स आ जाएंगी. The environment is ever changing, and so as to your method of the business should also change. This was about your 4 features of business environment. Some are left. We will cover this in next class. Take break and study for your exam. Thank you for attending. Thank you.